Morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, have your seat.
And there, sir, 2025.
In 2025,
Yes, sir.
Mirza, what's going on right now?
Yes,
In
sir.
this language, you are comfortable, Hindi or English?
Sir, both one, sir.
Both one.
Yes.
So just so again, everyone, so welcome. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Because maybe you know that today we are going to take a one kind of interview like SSB interview, which is maybe very important for you all if you watch the video. This class is not a real one kind of interview for you all, but it is very useful for every people. So just without wasting your time, just I'm going to invite a one person or one candidate who is very passionate about it. The person name is just you will know after some time. It's a secret for you. Let's leave it. Let's now we have to start. So Mr. Yuvraj, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, please welcome.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, alright, Mr. Yuvraj. Your name is Yuvraj, am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So, firstly, Yuvraj, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable, sir.
Okay. So, in which language you are comfortable, Hindi or English?
Sir, both one, sir.
Both one.
Yes.
So, just this interview is going on in English language. Try to compete that. Okay, firstly, you have to introduce yourself in a Hindi.
सर मेरा नाम युवराज पांडे है सर। सर मैं बालू बाजार अयोध्या से हूँ।
Okay.
मेरी उम्र 18 साल है।
ठीक है।
सर मेरे पिताजी का नाम श्री देवेंद्र कुमार पांडे है। मेरी माताजी का नाम श्रीमती रानी पांडे है। सर मैं इस समय के एस साकिब पीजी कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा हूँ। एंड सर मैंने इंटरमीडिएट की परीक्षा एसएसबी इंटर कॉलेज से उत्तीर्ण की। एंड सर मुझे इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले करना एंड सर गाने सुनना इत्यादि पसंद है। और सर मेरे बारे में बस इतना।
Okay, alright, well, you give a good introduction. Tell in English right now.
Sir, my name is Yuvraj Pandey, sir, and I am from Balu Bazar, Ayodhya, and I am 18-year-old, and I have completed my intermediate from SSV Inter College, Ayodhya,
Alright.
and now I am pursuing graduation from K. Sakib PG College, Ayodhya. And my hobbies are like playing instruments and listening music, and that's all about my intro.
Okay, so you like listening music?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what kind of music do you like to listen?
Sir, I like bhajan.
Bhajan. What
Yes.
kind of like
Sir, like
Bhakti and Bhajan
Bhakti
maybe?
mein.
Okay, alright, that's good, fine. So Yuvraj, firstly I would like to you that a job. Why do you choose? Why
Sir,
do you like?
because sir, I am very passionate about becoming an army officer. So and sir, you know, I am an XSC cadet. So that's why I like this job.
NCC
sir-
cadet you are.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So tell me about something your NCC days.
Sir, when I was in NCC days, then I learned many kinds of activities like how to make your discipline, how to
Okay.
make you confident, how to develop your communication skills, and many kinds of things I learned on there.
So which is the most important for you there? What did you learn?
Sir, when I was in NCC days, and sir, I went to attend the RDC camp on that time. So, and sir, those days are very important for me. So, because this is my first achievement. So, RDC is a national camp.
Of course,
RDC is a national camp, and sir, it is a very biggest camp in NCC. And sir,
Right.
many of camps in NCC are biggest, but RDC is a unique camp.
Unique camp.
Yes, sir.
So did you join there or not?
Yes, sir. I joined there, sir. 2025.
In 2025.
Yes, sir.
Mirza, what's going on right now
Yes,
in
sir.
this year you joined. So tell me something there when you went there. So what kind of difficulties did you face?
Sir, when I was in NCC training days, and sir, when my camp was going, sir, I learned many kinds of activities, sir, and I faced many kinds of difficulties on there to achieve our goal, sir. Because this is my goal.
ठीक है, it is
was
your goal.
it was my goal, and sir, I was very passionate about that. So that's why, sir, on there I faced many kinds of difficulties, and when I was in select on there, then on that time I feel like very proud.
Very proud of.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you think about your friends? How many friends do you have first of all?
Sir, I have 3 friends.
3 friends. Tell me the name of them.
So first is Vishal Chauhan, and the second is Ayush Tiwari, and third is Sir Aman Mishra.
Okay, alright, that's good. So who is your favorite?
So
These ones.
so third one is my favorite.
Why? It has some reason or?
So because it is very he's very proudest man, and sir, he is very confident man.
Confident. So, what did you learn in your last 4 months?
Sir, I learned many kinds of things, and sir, when I was in learning spoken English in our group college, and sir, I learned many kinds of things like that, how to communicate your from any other peoples, and
Okay,
how to
others.
communicate, and how to face any kinds of interview, how to face any kinds of people, and so many types of activities I learned on there.
Today in this office, why do something different?
Sir, before some time, before some days, there is no kind of certificate. But in present time, a certificate hanging on the wall.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is this?
So this is a NCC certificate and the CATC camp certificate.
Okay. So alright. So maybe behind of me, means of in front of you, these are two banners. Maybe if you want, you can see it. So first banner, tell me about that first banner. What right there, and what did you learn there? That banners.
So the first banner shows that our nation father, about our nation father, Gandhiji.
Okay.
And right on that, so it's okay to be sad after make a right a decision. And the second is don't make excuse. You use your time.
ठीक है.
Yes, yes.
So it's tough. So how will you face?
So with patience.
With passions.
Yes, sir.
So passions is important or discipline is important?
So both one is important. So but following the discipline. So patience is important.
But passion is
Yes, sir.
important.
With patience are following discipline.
Alright, well. So what do you like in your life?
Sir, I like many kinds of things.
Tell me something to add.
So like to help the other people.
Why do you like to help the peoples?
What, sir?
Why do you like to help the peoples?
So because it's my passion, sir.
It's a passion to helping the people.
Yes.
So would you like to help a rich man or poor man?
No, sir. So both one, sir. So
Both ones. Why?
So because it's my passion, as I say. So, and sir, I help too much poor people because sir, the rich people already completely help me, and sir, but sir, poor persons are not completely well. So, so
Okay.
that's why, sir.
You want to help poor people.
Yes, sir. Too much.
So okay, so why should I hire you? Why should we hire you? What are the special qualities you have?
So in my if I talking about me, so I have many kinds of specialty. So like that, sir, I'm kindful for everyone, and sir, I'm very passionate to about this job.
ठीक है. Mr. You're so kindful people.
Yes, sir.
So being kindful is right for an army officer or not?
Sir, for enemy is not right, but sir, for our citizens, for our country's men, it's right.
It's right for that. Okay, so why we should not pay humility of the enemies?
So because enemies also not pay humanity for me.
In upcoming 5 years, what kind of place would you like to reach? Like not place, like means a position.
Yes, yes, sir. Position.
All right.
So in 5 years, I would like to achieve our place. So after lieutenant, I want to become captain.
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me about something captain. How we can be
So
the
captain is the second rank of army officer.
second rank.
Yes, sir.
So
Second
first is a lieutenant and second is a
captain.
captain and third one is a.
So third one is a major.
So what do you like more, being a major, captain, or lieutenant?
So firstly, I will become lieutenant, and so then after I will become captain, and so seriously, and so serial wise,
Step by step, baby.
step by step, I will becoming our achieve our places.
ठीक है. So